A minigun. I don't have fucking health, bro. A minigun's not what I want to fucking see right now. My man hooked it up, bro. I only had to kill fucking 3 people with no health to get some health. Oh yeah. Ah, ah, ow, ow. And just like that, he's out of here. Ooh, an AK. Me, pick me. Now I'm feeling confident. I'm feeling real confident. The only thing I'm not feeling confident about is getting sniped in the face. That shit, I'm not ever confident. Wee! Hi, how are you? My high ground now. My high ground now. Ah, yee! Where did Hombre go? You know my man just straight dipped out. He wasn't about any of this shit. There he is. Is that even him? Might not even be him. This might just be a different guy. Oh, you want to build battle? I'm down. JK, mouse one. God, this gun's so good for pressuring people. Motherfucker, I heard you land somewhere. Where'd the other fool go? Now I'm confused. Oh, whatever, I got a definite safe solution for that. Just mouse one. It's pretty easy. It's always a good solution, you know? Bro, I don't care who or what tells me. I'm never going to change my opinion on the minigun right now. This shit is OP, bro. I thought they nerfed it, bro. When I read the patch notes, I was like, they nerfed it. Like, this shit's going to be trash. No, dude. This thing got a buff and a half. Facts. The minigun's nasty. It's just so much more, like, reliable almost. My audio sounds weird again. Surprise, motherfucker! Bro, when zombies were in the game, everybody had shield. Everyone, bro. You kill a guy, he was just like carrying too much. It was awesome. I miss zombies. There are 3 players left, bro. The zone is small. Like, I'm surprised I don't see anybody. Oh, there's a guy on a plane. Come on, down. Come down, come down, come down. Whatever, dude. Come on, dog. Come and get it. good, bitch? You ever been minigun before, dog? What's good? How weak is this guy? Should I pickaxe him? Fuck it, dude. Might as well do it for the memes and shit. Fuck. I don't have any more minis. I can't pickaxe this guy. Honestly, that guy was just starting to piss me off, so just kill his ass. My audio's bugged again, dude. I think dude, I need to find that new cable. Or it's a new old cable. I bought it a long time ago. It might help with my situation.